Well, if you've clicked on this video, you're probably either very interested in my garage/studio setup, or you need some light in your garage. In this video, I'm going to show you the lights I found, show you where I'm going to install them, and we'll see how they work. I am Manuel. This is my YouTube channel, Touring Midwest, and I have lighting issues in my garage, and making videos, of course, it's very important to have good light, but also working on the motorcycle or just doing projects in general, it's always a good idea to have good light. Let me show you what I've got going on and what we're going to do about it. My garage is pretty small. I basically usually have my motorcycle parked right here. And this is kind of the backdrop for when I'm working on my motorcycle. I'm going to put lights along this side, along this side. Alright, so I found these on Amazon. It's the Barrina LED T5 integrated fixture. It comes with 6 of these fixtures. And basically all it is an LED inside a diffused tube, right? And it's fairly low profile, so I think this should work just fine. See, my problem is I don't have a ton of clearance between the ceiling and the garage door. So I need to make sure that there's plenty of clearance for the lights, and there is. These are 4-foot tubes, LED tubes, and comes with several ways to wire them up. You can plug them in, and there's individual switches, one for each. You're also able to hardwire them if you want to go that route, or using these you can actually link them together, so you only have to actually run one plug, and then you can link all 6 of them together via these little wires right here. And if you need longer, also comes with these. So really you have quite a bit of flexibility with this system, which is what I thought was really cool about it. This is just 2 lights installed, right? This one installed widthways, and then I just ran the extension wire to this one, and I've got that run halfway down. So I'm gonna do another one now right here, this length, and then since I can't go across because it'll get in the way of the garage door, I'm gonna have to run a separate cable. So I'll actually have 2 plugged in here, which is not what I really wanted to do, but I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna move it. That will eliminate this plug here. So actually it won't be that bad, because I'm gonna have to start a new row over here. Hopefully that didn't make you too dizzy. I'm like thinking out loud on what I'm gonna do here, but this is going really well so far. So basically, to make sure they line up, just kind of guessing on the first bracket. But now I can just slide this down as far as I can, and I'll put the next one right at the end. Now I can just slide it down and clip it into place. Now we'll take our extension wire and just plug them together. Pretty easy, right? You can already see how much better the lighting is for video. This is going to be a game changer for my studio when I'm working on my bike. So for what these things cost, about $40 on Amazon, link in the description down below, totally worth it to help light up your garage. I think a good tip is not to screw the brackets down super tight, especially because my ceiling is like just this cheap wood like paneling kind of stuff, so it's wavy. So if you get them too tight, they want to pop out. Two lights on each side, one on front, one on the rear. I think that's going to light up any projects that I have to do fairly well, and I shouldn't have to move my soft boxes around. But as far as garage lights go overall, I think this is a pretty good setup. Should make working on the motorcycle a lot better, a lot more efficient, and hopefully just overall better image quality. If this is something you're interested in, again, I'll have links in the description down below this video and probably pinned in the top comment down there as well, so I don't want you to miss it. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of a commission from any purchases made, which helps me out a lot. It's great for the channel, and I just really appreciate it if you go that route. Price isn't any higher or anything like that. Amazon just helps me out a little bit and gives me a little bit of the revenue for sharing that link. So I do very much appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there as always. We'll catch you on the next video from Touring Midwest in this well-lit studio / garage. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Have a good one. Like it if you like it. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. It will not cost you a thing, but it will keep you up to date and notified every time I upload a new video or go live. So I do appreciate that. You don't want to miss it. Take care.